We need the alignment pin from the starter. This is easy. Pair of vice grips. The pin comes right out. We take our freshly removed pin. We insert it. Loose for now. We're not even snugging them down yet. You notice there's some adjustability in and out. This is why this pin is important. In is where this should go. Battery connected. Good time to test. We have success. Explain a bit about these clips. This fits down through a hole in the top of the ball. There's a corresponding hole in the bottom. Clean that hole out first. And make sure you can run the pin all the way up through the wrong direction. Then you can come back around make sure you get it in the second hole. It'll be sticking out a little bit. You can feel it with your finger. Then the clip is pushed around the back where it locks into place. See? It creates a bar to keep the ball from popping out of the socket. To remove it, swing it around, and lift out. You can't put the ball in the socket with the pin in, so let's take that out. Just want to demonstrate how that works, because you won't be able to see that as I put the footbed plate on. I dropped the Jesus clip. It bounces off the paper towel. Where did it go? 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 You know where it is? Jesus! That was only 5 minutes of time wasted looking for that little snotty little piece of metal. And it's not in there properly. There we go. You feel it sticking out the bottom.